Hello children, let us start with the next chapter, which is the Heron's formula. So in Heron's formula, you will be learning the area of a triangle and how to do it in a method using the Heron's formula. So let us start off with the basics. So we have learned a lot of geometrical figures and shapes, right? I taught you in the previous classes. We learnt about what is a rectangle, what's a square, okay? So let us now consider rectangle. I've drawn a rectangle here. In this rectangle, you can see that the opposite sides are equal, right? So in this rectangle, you can see that the boundary, this boundary over here represents the something called as a perimeter. This boundary, total boundary from here to here to here, is nothing but the perimeter. Perimeter means the total length of all the sides. 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3. That is 9 plus 9, that is equal to 18. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 18 meters. Because it is given in meters, so we write it in meters. Now let us look at the formula for the perimeter. Suppose this is the length and this is the breadth. So L plus B plus L plus B. What will happen? 2L plus 2B. So if I take out 2 as a common factor, it will be 2 times L plus B. That is, if I take the length as 6 and if I take the breadth as 3, so 2 times 6 plus 3, that is 2 times 9, that is 18. Same I got over here. But if I use the formula, it is much easier. So formula, if you use 2 times L plus B, is the formula for perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. Sorry, perimeter of a rectangle. Sorry children. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times L plus B. Now let us come to square. Now in the square, all sides are equal. Alva? All sides are equal. So I have kept 5, 5, 5, 5. So each is 5 meters, 5 meters. I'll write meters. 5 meters, 5 meters, 5 meters and 5 meters. So all are 5 meters. Now what is the total length of all the sides? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So this is called as the border. If I add the total length of the complete border, it will become how much? 20 meters. That means it is nothing but A plus A plus A plus A. That is 4 times A. So this is the perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square is given as 4A. So 4 into the side is 5. So 20 meters. So now this is called as the perimeter of a square is 20 meters. That is 4 into A. So the formula for this is 4 into A. For this the formula is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter. Now coming to the area. Area is this whole area. This one, this complete area is area. So in area, what do we do? The formula is for area, it is length into breadth. So we having 6 as the length and 3 as the breadth. So the area is 6 meter into 3 meters, 18 meters square. This is the formula for area. Okay. Now coming to the area of a square. Area of a square is A into A. It is A square. So 5 into 5 is 25 meters square. So I have written over here, area of a square is A into A. That's equal to 5 square. That is 25 meters square. So this is the area. So I hope you know all the formulas. Similarly, we are having now a triangle. So now we are going to the next one, triangle. So how do we do the perimeter of a triangle and area of a triangle is the next question. So let us go to the next part. Now in this one, let us consider this triangle. Now in this triangle, I have drawn a right angle triangle. You can see the right angle triangle here. So this is the right angle triangle, right? So this is the right angle triangle, and how to find the area of the triangle? It is half into base into height. This height should always be perpendicular. This should be 90 degrees always. If you don't have 90 degrees, that means you don't have H. Now in this one, this is the base and this is the height because it is 90 degrees. So anything which is 90 degrees is called as the height. So area of a triangle is half into base into height. Now look at this triangle. In this triangle, BC becomes the base and the height is perpendicular. Can you see from the vertex I have drawn perpendicular? So this becomes the height. So if you have the height, you can find the area of the triangle. Let us come to the triangles where height is not given. Now in this triangle, there is no height. You can see only the three sides are given. So one is A, B and C are the three sides. Okay. Now look at this triangle. There is no height given. Then how do you find the area of the triangle? Is it possible? No, it doesn't. We cannot do the sum at all. If there's a height, then I can do the sum. But if there is no height, then how do I do it? How do I find out the area of the triangle then? Is it working? No, it does not work because I don't have here also height and I don't have here also height. So how do I do it? In this case, we are using something called as Heron's formula. So what's the Heron's formula we are going to do now? Now perimeter of this triangle is the length of all the three sides. This AB, A and the total C. So if I add all the three, I'll get perimeter as A plus B plus C. If I do semi-perimeter is half. Semi means half. Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2. I call this as S. Semi-perimeter is represented by the letter S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Same here. Illi kuda hagene. Idu total perimeter bandu A plus B plus C. Alva? So that semi-perimeter ಅಂದ್ರೆ half of that. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಸೆಮಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಫ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಸೆಮಿ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್. ನಾವು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೆರಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಐಸೋಸೆಲೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಬ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. But for right angle triangle, you can use half base height. That you can use. But for basic any other triangle, you can use this formula. Okay. So Heron's formula, area of a triangle is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Where A and B and C are the sides of the triangle. Okay. So once you know your S na first na calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದು perimeter divided by 2. ಅದು ಬಂದರೆ S. So that is the area of a triangle. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now let us do some example sums. Okay. So I will take the first example sum. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeters, ಒಂದು 8, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 11, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೂರನೇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 11 ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ 8 plus 11 plus x. How much is the perimeter? 32. So 32 is equal to 8 plus 11 plus x, 19 plus x. So 32 minus 19 is equal to x. So 19 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ minus 19. X is equal to 13. So ಇವಾಗ ಈ 13 centimeter ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. So the total length A plus B plus C by 2. So A plus B plus C by 2 is 32 by 2. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 32 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 32 ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 32 by 2 ಬಂದು 16 centimeters ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೆರಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So 16 into 16 minus 8, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 13. Okay. So that will become 16 into 8 into 5 into 3. 16 ಬಂದು 4 square, 8 ಬಂದು 4 into 2 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 3 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So 4 square into 2 square into 30. So 4 into 2 square root ಅಂದರೆ 4 into 2. Square root of 4 square is 4. Square root of 2 square is 2. So 4 into 2 root 30 is that 8 root 30 centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle. ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ us now go to the example 2. ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ಆ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು 80, 120 ಮತ್ತು 50. ಮೂರು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮೂರು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಗಾರ್ಡನರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್, ಮತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಡಸ್ ಶಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬಾರ್ಬ್ ವೈರ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ 20 per meter. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ 20 rupees ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೀವಿಂಗ್ 3 meters ವೈಡ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಗೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಗೇಟ್ಗೆ 3 meter ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ನಾವು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಎ ಬಂದು 120, ಬಿ ಬಂದು 80, ಸಿ ಇಸ್ 50. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 120 plus 80 plus 50 divided by 2. That means total is 250 divided by 2. 250 divided by 2 is 125. So divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 125 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now let us use the formula. Formula is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So 125 into 125 minus 120, 125 minus 80 into 125 minus 50. ಅದು 125 into 5 into 45 into 75. Okay, 125 is 5 cube. So 5, so 45 is 9 into 5. 75 is 25 into 3. ಈ 5 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ನ 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ 5 ಮತ್ತು 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ 9 is 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ 25 is 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ 5 into 3 15. ಸೊ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 5, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 5, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 3, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 5. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 15, 375 ರೂಟ್ 15 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬಂದು 375 ರೂಟ್ 15 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇವಾಗ ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 250 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3ನ ನಾನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಗೇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ 3 meters I have to leave. So I have to minus the 3 meters. So I'll get 247 meters. So cost of 1 meter ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 20 rupees ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 meter ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ 20 rupees. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಮೀಟರ್ಸು? 247 meters ಆಫ್ ವೈರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 247 meters ಬಂದು 247 into 20 is 4,940 rupees. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಮ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕೂಡ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಬಾರ್ಬ್ ವೈರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೂಡ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಲೆಟ್ us come to example number 3. Now this triangle is having sides in the ratio 3:5:7. So this is the ratio, but they are given the perimeter as 300. So because it is given in ratio, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದನ್ನು let the sides be 3x, 5x, 7x ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ let the sides be 3x, 5x, 7x ಅಂದರೆ perimeter is equal to 3x plus 5x plus 7x. Total is 15x. 15x is the perimeter, that is equal to 300. So x is equal to 300 divided by 15. So x ಬಂದು 20 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 3x is 3 into 20, 5x is 5 into 20, 7x is 7 into 20. ಸೊ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು 60, 100 and 140 meters ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, that is equal to 300 by 2, that is equal to 150. Now square root is of area is equal to square root of 150 into 150 minus 60 into 150 minus 100 into 150 minus 140. So 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. So ನಾನು 15 into 9, ಈ 2 zeros na 100 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈ 2 zeros na 100 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So 15 into 9. So 5 into 3 I made for 15. For 15 I split up into 5 into 3. For 9 I wrote 3 square. For 100 I wrote 10 square. For 5 I wrote as it is 5. And for 100 I wrote 10 square. So now 5 square into 3 square into 10 square into 10 square into 3. ಈ ಥರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 5 into 3 into 10 into 10 is 1500 root 3 meter square. So this is the area of this triangle. So this is the example number 3. So I hope you have followed it. Okay.